Hello Woodmice and Dormice and welcome back to this week's maths learning. To start with, we are going to play a game of pairs. So behind we have got some images of 8, 9 and 10 and we need to match the images that are showing the same number. So I'm going to start in the middle. So I'm going to take this one away and I've got a number on my domino. I can see a 5 and a 5. What number is that showing? 5 and 5 is 10. So if this one's showing 10, I now need to try and find another image also showing 10. Ooh, where should I go? I'm going to go here. Ooh, I can see some delicious looking cakes. When I look at this, I see a 3, a 3 and a 3. So I can see 9 cupcakes. So that is not a pair. So let's cover those ones back over and let's try again. Let's take this one away. Oh, I can see I've got a 6 numicon and a 3 numicon. Let's check how many I've got all together. So 6 and 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. So that image is showing 9. Now I remember I've already seen 9. Can you remember where it is? I think it was this one here. Let's check. Yes, my 9 delicious cakes. So I found one pair. Let's try again. We go for this one this time. Oh, I've got a tens frame. I can see 5 and 3 more. How many have we got all together in our tens frame? We've got 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is 5 and 3 more. I've got to find another image now showing 8. No, it's not that one. Let's go for this one here. Oh, I've got a domino. And on my domino, I've got 4 and 4. 4 and 4. Thinking back to our learning from last week, I remember 4 and 4 is 8. So I have found another pair. So left, I have got these two. Now we've already looked at this one, and this one was showing 10, 5 and a 5 on my domino. So it must match up with this one here. Let's check. I can see I've got an 8 numicon and a 2 numicon. 8 and 2. 8, 9, 10 is 10. So these two must also go together. Now this week in our maths learning, we have been looking at measure. We started off by looking at height. And then for the past couple of days, we've been looking at length and measuring how long things can be. Today, we are going to be looking at mass, and that means we're looking at weight, how heavy something can be. So I'm sure lots of you enjoy baking. And when you're baking, you have to weigh out the ingredients. If you didn't weigh out the ingredients, you might not have the right amount, and your cakes or biscuits might not turn out very well. So it's really important that we weigh the ingredients when we are baking. You might have some scales in your bathroom that you can stand on and weigh yourself, which will tell you how much you weigh. We're going to be looking at weight today, and we are going to be looking at balancing scales. So in front of you here, we've got some balancing scales. And these look a little bit different to the ones that we use in school. But I'm just going to show you of these for today. So I can see on my balancing scales at the moment, I have got the same amount of weights on each one. That's why they are level. That's why they are balancing. I'm going to take my weights off this side now. What do you notice that has happened? This side has gone down. And the reason it's gone down is because it is heavier. So it is the heaviest. All the weights on here are heavier. There's nothing on here at the moment. So this side is the heaviest, and it's the heaviest, it's pulled it down. I'm going to take some more off this side so that we start back with nothing on there. So at the moment they're balanced because neither side of my balancing scales are holding anything. I'm going to add some weights onto this side and weights onto this side. What do you notice that's happened now? So this time the scale has gone down this side. So this side is the heaviest, the opposite to heaviest is lightest. This side is the lightest. So this side is the heaviest and this side is the lightest. I'm going to add some more onto here. Oh, what do you notice now? Can you point to the side that is the heaviest? That's right, it is this side. It's got more weights on it, which is making it heavier. Can you point to the side that is the lightest? It must be this side. This side is lighter than this side here. I'm going to add some more weights on. And what do you notice now? This side now is the heaviest and this side is the lightest. So those are the words that we need to be using today. Heavier, heaviest, lighter and lightest. For today's challenge, you are going to have a go at weighing different objects around the house. Now I know a lot of you will not have balancing scales at your house, so here is a way that you can make some. So all you need is a coat hanger, some plastic cups or just some containers, but they do need to be the same weight, and then some string, and just like this one here, you just need to loop the string around so that you can attach the cups onto the coat hanger. Then you can start to find objects and put them inside the cups and talk about which objects are the heaviest, which are the lightest, and how you know. Remember, if the objects are the heaviest, then the balancing scales are going to go down because they are weighing them down. If they are the lightest, then they will be up in the air as they are lighter than the other objects. Once you've done that, we would like you to send us a picture in of your scales and then talk about, and a comment telling us how you got on, if you were able to use the language heaviest, heavier, lightest and lighter.